Good morning, everyone. I'm in the elevator at the hotel, getting ready to go down to do a little workout. And I'm gonna try to record it unless the hotel staff stops me or unless it's crowded in the gym and I can't record. But this is a view of the hotel lobby in the morning. And I may not be able to record because I see people in there. Okay, workout done. So now, time to shower, get dressed, and go eat breakfast. I think we're going to IHOP today. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, can't wait to get there. But workout was a success. Treadmill for 30 minutes. I did a little bit of HIIT cardio. So that was good. All right. See you at IHOP. Oh yeah. Lingenberg, Swedish crepes, combo with eggs, bacon, hash browns. Ruby has pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausage, and toast. We're back in the hotel room. We're just going to relax for a minute before we check out. And look what we're watching on TV. Who remembers this movie? This was the craziest, corniest movie ever. If you remember this movie, leave the title in the comments. Yeah, so we're gonna watch some of that and just relax. But thanks for joining us. Have a good day. Bye.